Today, we're showcasing Kafka Granite's wax-coated aggregate, a proprietary solution for creating durable erosion-resistant pathways that withstand high traffic and harsh weather conditions. Designed to perform on even the steepest of slopes and available in a variety of natural stone colors, this material is sustainable, wheelchair accessible, and an aesthetically pleasing alternative to traditional paving. It is the ideal solution for golf courses, parks, gardens, or anywhere a low-maintenance yet natural-looking trail is desired. Kafka's wax-coated aggregate is a well-graded natural crushed stone intricately blended with a polymeric wax. The wax completely coats the aggregate to stabilize the material and repel water. The result is a surface that's both highly erosion-resistant and dustless, engineered for long-lasting durability. So there you have it, Kafka Granite's wax-coated aggregate, an erosion-resistant, dustless, and low-maintenance solution that's as beautiful as it is functional. It's perfect for any space where you want a natural look without sacrificing durability.